Here at Rejuvenated, we love to start off the day with one of our protein smoothies. They are a vegan, organic pea protein smoothie, which come in 3 fantastic flavours: strawberry, banana and chocolate. We like to mix the products in a variety of different ways, using either water, almond milk or dairy milk or any other kind of substitution that you'd like. Here are 7 of the best ways that we like to mix ours. We're going to start off by showing you a recipe for each of the flavours. So firstly, I'm going to start with the strawberry because it's my personal favourite. Now, here at Rejuvenated, we like to add a few extra berries. A lot of the time we use frozen berries, but today we're using some fresh berries. We like to use the NutriBullet to blend ours up. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our berries and add them into our NutriBullet. This is almond milk, but you can use normal dairy milk, coconut milk, anything you like. If you want to skimp on the calories as well, if you use water, that's great as well. This is roughly about 330 mils. And then we're going to add 1 scoop, which comes in every pouch of protein smoothie, into it. Screw on the lid and straight into the bullet. And there it is, ready to drink. So next up, we've got the banana protein smoothie. For this one, it's called Cocktail Lovers. And we've got some fresh pineapple and some freshly sliced banana. And we've also got some coconut milk instead of almond milk this time. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the pineapple and banana and put that in here. Add our coconut milk. And lastly, a scoop of the banana protein smoothie. Screw the lid on and give it a quick blitz. And just give it a quick pour out. And there it is, ready to drink. And lastly, we've got our chocolate protein smoothie. Now this recipe is the Chocoholic. So we're going to start off with some cocoa powder, which we're going to put a spoonful of in here. This time we've got hazelnut milk. And lastly, a scoop of our chocolate protein smoothie. And we'll give that a quick mix up. And just to finish it off, a little sprinkle of cocoa powder and a sprig of mint.